The fear of Donald Trump is a beginning of wisdom. My people, they say that Nigeria hospitals now, many people don't take their sick ones back home. Some people go buy for inside home. Some people don't already buy because of the doctors don't go on strike for no proper payment, no taking care of them. This is the country where we find ourselves. So the life does not matter to these politicians. What matters for them is 2027 election. They are desperate to be there. As a governor, they are desperate to be there as a president. And look at the country, it's turning upside down. Then let us leave the country and allow people who want to do their own thing. They say, no, we must be together. What a funny country. However, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu once tell the Fulani people that the more you plant your nonsense in Nigeria, the more Nigeria will wake up and stand against you one day. So Fulani is prepare yourself for a totally hate is coming, because all the things that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu said always come to pass. They said that the Senate president, I beg you don't follow, you don't beg in another Senate, say I beg you, may you know how I want to talk about this Donald Trump matter. Say in hand no there, may you no put down for inside. Omo, this one shock me. I go play the video, may you watch before we come back and continue. I beg, may you not forget to share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. Stay tuned.
Nigerians, this is Living with Sodnaka also. I'm a humanitarian and I have a foundation. I do assist people. So please, this video is especially for Donald Trump. Nigerians need your assistance, not only the killing of Christians. I know that this video will go viral and they might come and arrest me, but there's one thing that pastor said. He said that it's better you die saying the truth. See my leg. All the general hospitals in Nigeria now, currently now, the doctors are on strike. I was here 2 days ago. This place is well filled up. But currently now, these people are too bad that they cannot pay the doctors to take care of the masses. Imagine this hospital, this place that even to see a bed is by connection. But today, no single person is on this bed. Where are they? All of them don't return to their homes to die there, to buy there. Please. We need your help in Nigeria. We need your help. All these politicians, all they do is to steal our money, go to overseas, take care of themselves, buy properties. Please, sir, we need your help in Nigeria. Not only the clean of Christians, they cannot even pay the doctors to take care of these citizens that they are stealing from. We really need your help. See my 2 legs there, man, sir. This is from Nigeria. Please, sir. As I'm speaking like this, is all the same thing in all the 36 states of this country. Once it's a general hospital, once it's a federal government hospital, the doctors are all on strike. Please, they just called me to come and take my patient. Someone that I borrowed money to bring here, paid thousands to run tests. They are now calling me to come and take. Please, sir, we need your help. Nigerians need your help. Nigerians need your help. We are tired of all these things that these politicians are doing. God bless.
In this case, I did not say my mind.
I'm coming. Don't be scared. I can say.
I said
I'm not scared of Trump. I can say my mind. I'm a Nigerian. Nigeria is a sovereign nation. I'm a parliamentarian. I'm a deputy president. I can speak on behalf of Nigeria. I'm not scared of Trump.
But do not allow others to speak for you.
Don't be scared of Trump.
You can
say your mind about Trump.
Get something.
We're a sovereign nation.
Get something. Don't allow people to ascribe what you did not say to you.
You did wrong, but you didn't say it. That's correct. You didn't say it.
Yes, but what I'm saying is that
you shouldn't be scared of saying anything.
No. If you want me to say it now, I will say.
We're not scared of Trump.
I will say, but then listen.
We're a sovereign nation. We're not scared of Trump.
I can only say what is discussed.
And he's saying lies about our country. What he's saying about our country is not correct, and we have the right to discuss.
You also think of what you do with the social media that has a lot of breaking news. Breaking news should not break the society. But a situation where somebody will sit in the comfort of his room and produce a report and produce fake pictures of 2023 when the Senate president with senators visited Port Harcourt on a very different thing. and say, oh, Senate President answers President Trump. Who am I to answer President Trump? Have you ever heard of such a thing? And the Senate President said that Nigerians are not complaining, that we like the way we are living. That I can deal with it, but then that the Nigerians are not complaining. I have petitioned the police. I have also petitioned the DSS. The comment is in order. You are not hearing what I'm saying. I'm saying this time, the Senate President of Nigeria did not answer President Trump. And then that the quotation is meant to cause diplomatic row. It is the presidency that will answer President Trump. And all Nigerians are doing their best in that direction. But who is that person that will go and ascribe a comment to the Senate President when he was never met? So I believe the cyber crimes unit of the police, the DSS and others should find that character out, because it is meant to cause friction. It is meant to cause friction and put the Nigerian Senate in dispute. I can only speak your voice. We have not discussed the comment of President Trump in chambers yet. I know we will. And I believe we will. Those in support that we should in future discuss this comment, say aye. Those against say nay. We shall. It's only then that the Senate President can make a comment. Not somebody sitting in his bedroom to talk nonsense.
Mr. President, Nigeria is a sovereign nation.
What the foreigners are doing in Nigeria with the help of the British is a very dangerous game. They will lose everything. And by the time this very war is over, Fulani will be ejected from Hausa lands. And I blame Hausa people for what is happening today. Hausa people, your fathers were humiliated, your kings were dethroned and killed. You started to give birth to children who became subservient to the Fulani. For those who do not know Hausa history, I want to tell you something today that you may find very difficult to believe. At a time in Africa's history, the Hausa race were the most technologically advanced in terms of warfare in all of Africa. Do you know that Hausa people manufactured a musket, a gun, a type of a gun, before, when Britain was still fighting with bows and arrows and swords? Are you aware of that? Hausa people that you're looking at. Look at where they are today. At the height of the glory of the Hausa Empire, nobody ever believed that a bunch of cattle rearers in the Nachinama can take them over.
The Biafrans have seen so many reasons why the Nigeria government are still holding Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because he see tomorrow, and they are very shocked. How did this man come to know about all these things? Who told him? How did he know these things? So Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have given the prophecy that no pastor in Nigeria can ever give or can ever turn. You don't see them, they will come and tell you, election, if this person win, Nigeria will be good. But one man see tomorrow and tell them the fact. That is why they still holding him. When I don't see anything that happen for Nigeria, I beg, may you share this video and drop your own opinion for inside comment section, because you don't read. This time around, Nigeria can never escape this thing. That's why I love Israel so much. If na Israel talk this thing since, I don't know why Israel are keeping quiet. I don't know why Israel can't protect only yourself. You have to have allies. You have to have brothers. You have to have people that will back you up in case of order. Not only America. What if America collapse? Who will be your next backbone? I don't know why Israel is keeping quiet. Because if na Israel talk and say, they go throw that Bunibena, go give all those Fulani terrorists. Since they go don't do them, they go don't even do them. So I don't know why Donald Trump just come outside. It be woman, I dey check my phone every day whether I go see news say the terrorists have been bombed. I never see anything. I bet more na share this video.